Everybody, it's your boy the Ghetographer coming to you back with a type of vlog. A blog, I don't know, vlog. I'm gonna try to vlog. Because I'm in a dilemma, guys. I really um saved up some money so I can get a new action cam because I heard about the Action 6. I was like, and I heard about the Nano, so I was like, okay, I'll save up some money. And now I don't know if I want to get the Nano, the Action 5, or the Action 6. And my problem is I'm recording this on the Action 2. And the Action 2 is very modular. I do like it a lot. For my use case, love it a lot. The problem I'm having with even looking at the Nano, I don't have a DJI mic. So right now I'm using a generic microphone, as you can see. It's called the Wavelink, if you can see that. And so I'm using the Wavelink. And so me using the Wavelink, I can't use that with the Nano. So if I don't have a DJI mic, I can't use like the couple of wireless mics that I have, because I do test them out when they come on sale, and we like to see how they sound and things of that nature, but can't do that with the Nano. But I think you can still do that with the from what I understand, the Action 5 Pro and maybe the Action 6. No one has said it yet, so I'm waiting for the real reviews to come out. Guys, all the Action 6 stuff that's coming out now are people who have gotten them early, and they're going to say a lot of good things about them, and that's cool. Okay, that's cool. That's cool, but well, you have to realize that they're not really being honest because they're getting paid. They're getting paid to say those things, or that's a speculation. I don't know if they're getting paid or not. From what I'm hearing, they might get paid, or just to be able to get access to the product early. Hey, look, my channel is not there yet, and so I'm not begrudging those guys at all. But what I am going to say is that no one's going to really say anything bad about the say anything bad about. Sorry, guys, just got a text. Say anything bad about the Action 6. So what I would do, I would wait until, give it a week or two to when it actually drops, and then you start getting the other reviews that's going to really let you know, is all the upgrades worth it, because some of the things might not be worth it. I know as far as being able to use the same footage from different type of from YouTube to Instagram to TikTok or even Facebook, you can shoot once on that. You're able to use that same footage on any of those. That's pretty decent. But how much would I use that for? Also, the variable aperture is the first action cam with a variable aperture. How much is that going to make? How much difference that's going to make if you're not really going into the if you're not really doing a lot of nighttime shoot. Now, don't get me wrong, it can be used other than nighttime, but to be able to get your aperture open to get that much light would be better for the nighttime. So a lot of the different things that the Action 6 can do, I'm not taking nothing away from it, but for the average consumer, for that person who wants just to get the best while they got the money, they're saving up, I just want to get something that's really good, that's going to last me for a couple of years, last me for 3 to 4 to 5 years. Is that going to be what you can? Is the Action 6 going to be something that you want, or you can go with the Action 5 Pro, or Action 4, which would do probably everything that you wanted to do. Now, the reason why I'm saving up my money, because I really love the idea of the Nano. But when I heard the Nano, like I said, you couldn't use you had to use their microphones with it, their wireless microphones with it. That kind of turned me off. I'm like, well, with the Action 2, Action 3, even Action 4, I can use any lav mic I wanted to, as long as I had as long as you have a USB-C port on the wireless lavalier, even a generic one, you can use it. So I'm just letting you know, the Nano, to me, that was kind of the deal breaker, because I don't have the DJI Mic Mini or any of the DJI mics yet. So that would have been, that's really what kind of killed it for me with getting the Nano. So I don't know, guys. What do you think? Like I said, because the 4, the 5 are still they're still valid. They're still, good. You're still able to get really good shots from them. So do you really need to go with the Action 6? I don't think you do. But again, it's not something that's revolutionary. It's not going to change the way you do film, unless you are a pro film type of person, and you can say, well, A, B, C, D, I can do this, I can do that. I do a lot of different content, and it might be good for you. But I don't know if the Action 6 is going to be something I want to get, because really it's not bringing nothing that is going to really matter much to me in my case, use case, because I just want to do a little bit more vlogging, want to get on here and say how I feel about certain technology. So I'm like, man, do I really need the Action 6, or can I just go with the Action 5? And if I'm really really good, can I get an Action 5 that's an open box Action 5 that might take off another $30 to $40? Because I'm into the open box, guys. I would get open box in a minute. So, guys, what do you think? What do you think about it? Which one are you going to get, or why aren't you going to get it? And, help me out. All right. Peace.